வையத்து வாழ்வீர்கள் நாமும் நம் பாவைக்குச் செய்யும் கிரிசைகள் கேளீரோ. பார்க்கடலுள் பையத்து என்ன பரமனடி பாடி, நெய்வுண்ணோம் பாலுண்ணோம் நாட்காலே நீராடி, மையிட்டெழுதோம் மலரிட்டு நாம் முடியோம், செய்யாதன செய்யோம் தீக்குறளைச் சென்றோதோம், ஐயமும் பிச்சையும் ஆந்தனையும் கைகாட்டி, உய்யுமாறெண்ணி உகந்து ஏலோர் எம்பாவாய். This is the second song in Andal's Tirupavai. In the first song, she praised that they were blessed with a good day, an auspicious day to start the Nonbu, the Vrata that they were going to do, the Marghari Vrata. Also, Andal stated that their purpose is to reach Krishna and do service to him, and she also said that Narayanane Namakke Paraidharuvan, Narayana himself, he alone will give Kainkaryam to us alone. So this was Andal's declaration. Now, having said that Narayana is the means by which we can attain him, in this song she says what we must do and what we must not do during this 1 month of Vrata. This is called Kritya, Akritya, Viveka. Krityam means anything that we are supposed to do. Akritya means things that we are supposed to stay away from, or things that we should avoid. So in this stanza, in this Pashuram, Andal gives us the gist of what we should do and what we should not do. But at the beginning, she uses a peculiar phrase. She says, Vaiyattu Valveergal, people who are living in this world. Now this is very interesting. Earlier she says, Sirmalhum Aipadi Chelvat Chirmirgal, those girls, wealthy, prosperous girls who are living in a prosperous Aipadi. So she has already referred to the girls of Aipadi, and they have now collected in front of her. They have gathered there. Now she is addressing them as Vaiyattu Valveergal, those who are living in this world. Why is this such a great commendation? Why should she praise someone like this? Living in this world is not such a great thing. Then why call them Vaiyattu Valveergal? The intention is these people are living the life even when they are here. There is a phrase, living the life, which means they are leading an extravagant life, or a prosperous life, or a very happy life. Now Andal says these Gopikas who are living in Vrindavan are living the life even though they are in this world. Vayyam means this samsara. Samsara is this transient world in which we are stuck in. Our goal is to get liberation from this world and attain Sri Vaikuntham, where we can be with Paramatma always. Now, these Gopikas need not reach Sri Vaikuntham to have that association with Bhagavan. They already have their association with Krishna in this world. Therefore, the purpose that must be attained in Sri Vaikuntham has already been attained by these girls in this Aipadi. Therefore, they are called Vaiyattu Valveergal. Valchi means prosperity or some greatness. The greatness that they have is that they have reached association with God in this birth itself. So, Vaiyattu Valveergal. This means that spirituality or religion does not give the way for liberation alone. There is a general accusation that spirituality or Hinduism talks only about getting liberated from this life. There is no explanation or no instruction as to how we should live in this life, but there is a lot of talk of how we should leave this life and go to Mukti. This is not true. This accusation is not true. Here Andal says, Vaiyattu Valveergal, you people are living a very good life in this world. You need not consider going to that world at all. You are having a good life here. Vaiyattu Valveergal. Why is this so? These people are called Bhusura. All Sri Vaishnavas who are enjoying the bliss of Bhagavan while living in this world are called Bhusura. Sura means a Deva. There are some people called Nitya Suris in Sri Vaikuntham. They never take birth in this world. We are a Jivatma. We are taking birth in this samsara again and again, and at one point of time we are going to reach Mukti. There are some people who have never taken birth in this world. They are always present in Srivaikuntham. They are always in association with Lord Sriman Narayana. Now, these Gopikas are called Bhusura. They are living in this world, but they are no less than the Nityasuris who are there in Srivaikuntam. Because whatever the Nityasuris have, these children also have. The wealth of the Nityasuris is their close association with Bhagavan. These Bhusuras, these Gopikas also are so close to Krishna. They are so in love with Krishna, and Krishna loves them so much that they need not think about going to Srivaikuntam at all. They can happily live a good life here. So, Vaiyattu Valvirhal, what must we do? While living in this world, we have already accepted that Lord Sriman Narayana is the one who is going to grant us mukti. Now, my body is not going to fall today. I have another 30 years or 50 years or 60 years to live in this world. What must I do? There must be some practices that I must follow. Those are what Andal says here. Namum nam pavaikku cheyyum kirishaigal keliro. Oh, great children of Aipadi, girls of Aipadi, Namum nam pavaikki. For our vratam, the Marhadi nonbu that we are observing, Pavaikku Sheyyum Kirishaigal Keliro. The word Kriya, the Sanskrit word Kriya is translated as Kirishai here. So the activities that we must do for our Nonbu as Sharanagatas is listed here. Kirishaigal Keliro, Parkadalul Payyat Tuyindra Paraman Adipadi. In the ocean of milk, Bhagavan is lying down as Kshirabdinatha. So that is called the Vyuhamurti. So, Parkadalul Payyat Tuyindra Paraman. He is sleeping there on his serpent bed. Tuyindra Paraman Adipadi. We must sing the praises of his lotus feet. Paraman Adipadi. So, Nama Sankirtanam, singing the praises of Bhagavan is something we must do every day. After that, Paraman Adipadi, Nei Unnom, Pal Unnom. We will not have milk. We will not drink nei, that is ghee. Why does she say that? What this means is, it doesn't just mean that we should not partake ghee or milk. What she means is, since Bhagavan is the only bliss that I want to enjoy, all the pleasures that I get from these worldly things are not great to me at all. When we experience Bhagavan, when we have his darshan or listen about his cheshtitams, when we learn that Krishna lifted Govardhan Giri and he protected all the Gopas, the enjoyment or pleasure that we get from that is much more than what we get from drinking milk or drinking ghee or applying sandal paste to our body or something like that. So, since we are doing Nama Sankirtanam and our stomach and hearts are filled with that joy, Nei Unnom, Pal Unnom, we need not take milk or ghee. Then, Natkale Neeradi, we will take bath early in the morning. Maiyat Eludhom, we will not wear mai, which is that kajal. We Maiyat Eludhom, Malarittu Namudiyom, we will not wear flowers on our head, on our hair. That is because, again, those are luxury products. I do not want to enjoy any luxuries. Bhagavan is the only pleasure that I want to enjoy. So, all these things are no more interesting to me. Natkale Neeradi Maiyat Eludhom, Malarittu Namudiyom. Then two important things, Shayyadana Shayyom, things that have not been done by my ancestors, I will not do. Shayyadana, my father, his forefathers, all of them have observed certain practices and they have avoided certain practices. What we must do is, we must adhere to those practices meticulously. Shayyadana Shayyom, something that they have not observed, I will not do. Shayyadana Shayyom. Finally, Thikkuralai Chendru Vodom. This is talking ill about someone to someone else. Someone did a mistake. I have come to know of that. Now, I should not go to someone and complain about this person. That is called Thikkural. Thikkural means complaining about the fallacies or the faults of one person to another. Thikkuralai Chendru Vodom. We will never complain about one person to another. If someone commits a mistake, it is up to Bhagavan or up to his guru or up to his parents to correct that person. It is not my right or it is not my duty to correct everyone in this world. It is my duty to correct myself and to improve myself spiritually. But it is not my duty to correct others. Therefore, she says, Nei Unnom, பாலுண்ணோம் நாட்காலே நீராடி மையிட்டெழுதோம் மலரட்டு நாம் முடியோம். Then we will follow what our parents and forefathers tell us to do. There is some good in what they have done. We might not understand everything today. It might take us time. Even at the age of 60 we might not understand some things, but they do help. There is a small child, that child is injected with a vaccine. The child of 6 months or 2 months does not know that that vaccine is going to be doing good for that baby. However, the parents take that right. They take the duty of protecting the baby. Similarly, even though we do not know the purpose or the good that we get from certain activities, we must do them since our parents and our forefathers have told us to do it. Some things like chanting Sahasranamam or wearing the Sri Churnam or Vibhuti or whatever on our foreheads, all these things will do good, some good to us. That is why the rishis and sages have written them, have commanded us to do them. Therefore, we must trust our parents, we must trust our forefathers and ancestors, we must follow what they have done and try to do it to the best level possible. Then, Shayyadana Shayyom Thikkuralai Chendru Vodom. We must never gossip. Gossip inevitably is only about faults. Nobody gossips about good things. Gossip itself is only about faults. So we must never gossip. We must not tell the faults of one person to another. It is not up to us to know that. It is not up to us to correct that. So these are the things that Andal wants us to abide by. We are not doing a vratam to get Krishna as our husband. However, we are in a similar place. We are a Sharanagata. We want to reach Krishna. Krishna is going to be our Lord. We want to do service to him. So it is almost similar to the Gopikas wanting to marry Krishna. Therefore, whatever the Gopikas did, we must also do. We are not doing it for rain or not to get Krishna as our husband, but to reach Sri Vaikuntham and get Lord Sriman Narayana as our Lord and do service to him. So we must also practice all of these and try to stick to them to the extent possible so that we can also be called Vaiyattu Valveerhal. We are living the life. We are living a happy, dharmic, spiritual and enjoyable, pleasurable life in this world where nobody is affected by us, but we are doing good to many people. This is the life that Andal wants us to follow. This is what she instructs to us in this second Pasuram. So in the first Pasuram, she lauded the good auspicious day that has dawned upon her. In the second Pasuram, she has told what we must do and what we must not do. Then going forward from the third Pasuram, the meanings of the Pasuram we will see on each day in this series starting from tomorrow. Today I take your leave with the shloka about Andal. Shrimatye Vishnuchittarya Manonandana Hetave Nandanandana Sundaryai Godayai Nityamangalam.